Hey everyone, welcome back to a video. And this video I'm gonna talk about how to allow all calls on your iPhone and how we can do it. So let's get started. So first of all, what we need to do is we have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here we have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the apps, and you can tap on it. Now from here either we have two methods. We can scroll it down and navigate to the phone app, or you can just go use the search over here. Now type here for phone app, then you just need to tap on the phone app. Now from here we have to scroll it down a little bit, right? If you scroll it down, you can see we have an option here called screen unknown callers, and right now I have set this to never, which means call from any unsaved numbers will ring and missed calls will be displayed on the recent list. This is what I have set. But for some reason you might be setting this to ask for reason, so then the unknown numbers will be asking a question why you are calling this person. If you change this to silence, also will be having the issue. So what I'm trying is you can change this to never. If it has been any of these, you can keep this on never. And also make sure over here under the call filtering we have unknown callers. This should also be turned off, right? And also if you scroll it down a little bit, you can see there are blocked contacts. If you tap on this, these are two numbers which I blocked personally for various reasons, so you have to unblock them as well. So you have to tap on this one, and if you wanted to unblock it, all we have to do is just go over here, tap on the contact and do like this. So you can see we have an unblock option. Just go for unblock. And right now similarly you have to do it for this one as well. Just go for the unblock. So right now it is all done. Now from here onwards you'll be receiving all kind of calls. Even if it's from a stranger, you'll be receiving the calls, and this is how we can do it. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.